Every morning is a blank page. I open my eyes and the first thing I do is remind myself this day is mine to shape. I stretch it out, shake off whatever yesterday left behind. Standing in front of that mirror, I look myself in the eye. Not checking for flaws. Just checking in. I get dressed with intention. Every choice I make in the morning sets the tone for everything after. And when I walk out that door and the sun hits my face, that's the moment. That's when I know.
Looking sharp now.
Today is going to be different. Today is going to be good. Before the world gets loud, there's this. My kitchen. The quiet. The ritual. I take my time with the beans, fresh ones, always, because rushing this part ruins the whole thing. There's something almost meditative about the pour, watching the water move through the ground slow and steady. No shortcuts. When I finally wrap both hands around that mug and take that first sip, everything slows down.
One more rep, push harder. Yeah, feel that burn. Almost there, don't quit. Whew, that was a great session. Feeling pumped and ready for more. Consistency is the real game changer. Time to cool down and recover. See you tomorrow.
The warmth hits different when you made it yourself. I sit by the window, watch the world start to wake up, and I think this right here is enough. This moment is enough. I don't always want to go. Let me be honest with you about that. Some mornings the bed wins the argument for a little while. But I tie up my shoes anyway, because I know how I'll feel when it's done. The warm-up is where I find my rhythm. That's not wasted time. That's me preparing my body for what's coming. And when I get into the work, the real work, everything else disappears. No phone, no noise, just me and the weight. When it burns, I don't stop. That burn is the conversation between who I am now and who I'm becoming. And when it's over, towel on my shoulder, catching my breath. I didn't just train my body today. I trained my mind too, left with no plan today. No destination, no agenda, just my feet and wherever the city wanted to take me. There's a version of this city that most people miss because they're always going somewhere. I slowed down enough to see it. The textures of old buildings. The smell of street food around a corner I'd never turned before. I found a little cafe with 2 chairs outside and I just sat. Watched people move through their lives. And then the golden hour came and the whole city turned this shade of amber that I wish I could bottle up and save. Walking home with the city lights beginning to flicker on, I thought I needed this. Just wandering. Just being present. Best thing I did all week. I've learned that how you set up your space is how you set up your mind. So I take a few minutes every morning, laptop positioned, notebook open, pen ready. Nothing rushed. Then I go in. Deep work is a different kind of quiet. It's focused, it's intentional, it's almost like a flow state when you get it right. I give myself permission to take breaks because I've learned that rest isn't the opposite of productivity, it's part of it. I stretch, look out the window, let my mind breathe for a minute. Then I come back. Every time I come back sharper. By the time I close that laptop at the end of the day, I'm not just tired, I'm satisfied. And that's the difference. Tired from doing nothing feels empty. Tired from doing the work feels like everything.